Welcome back to the video. The very first thing you want to do is to open up your Gmail app. Having opened up your Gmail app, next thing you need to do is to tap on the profile icon. The next thing you need to do is to click on manage your Google account. The next thing you need to do is to go to security and sign in. The next thing you need to do is to scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to your connection to third-party apps and services. Then scroll down right here and make sure you click on see all connections. Then what you want to do right here is to scroll down right here and make sure you remove as many as possible websites and apps right here that you don't want to continue to receive spam mail from them in your Gmail account. For that, I'm going to use this particular website right here, PNG Social Login. I'm going to click on that. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on delete all connection you have with this particular website. Click on that. And this is going to pump up. What you need to do is to simply click on confirm. And in a few seconds, you will be disconnected with them. And then your Google account or Gmail account is going to be perfectly clean and safe. And you will stop receiving spam mail from this particular website URL right here. It's that simple. For more tutorials like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.